So the last 48 hours for crypto have definitely been a wild ride. We've had ups, we've had downs. If you guys have watched me for quite some time, I've talked about how some of these macro reports have a bit of a delayed fuse, right? There's some negativity, even if it's a positive report, followed by this positive explosion. And that's what we're experiencing right now. SHIB has been outperforming, right? It has been doing extremely well. We climbed all the way up above 509. Right now, we're actually just kind of sitting right about at that range, but BTC actually ushered in a new yearly high, which is a great sign. There's a lot of positive things happening in the market. And right now, when we look at this BTC chart, it looks like we're going to be getting this bull market confirmation before the end of the year. As always, this is not financial advice, but right now, it looks like we are almost identical to what we saw this time in 2015, two bear market cycles ago, okay? We had this explosion at the end of the year. It began in October, then we rallied in November, and then there was no looking back. We had this massive, explosive bull market rally to the upside that lasted all the way until December of 2017. And the reason I say that this is probably the path that we're going to follow, and as always, this is not financial advice, we've had one of the better bear markets we've gone through. It may not seem like it, right? But we wanted to go on a run this entire bear market cycle, but we weren't allowed to. We were suppressed. We dealt with black swan events, bankruptcies, the SEC pushing back, bad macro factors. There was all these things that tried to stifle the crypto market, but yet we still had a really good rally throughout the year. Now, it wasn't as good as that bear market rally that we experienced back in 2019, but the market wants to run. It's been wanting to run. And it's because of all these things that are happening outside the space. Obviously, interest from institutional investors, corporate adoption, mass adoption from retail investors, right? There's a lot of things that are making the market want to move to the upside. And the great thing is we have not even seen the best times of this. We have the potential of a big, massive run like this. When it comes to SHIB, that opens up the door for a lot of possibilities. Obviously, I've mentioned many times, this is the hardest range for SHIB to get through. And it's working its way through it, guys, right? There are people that are buying, that are holding long-term. The short-term buyers and sellers are diminishing. People have that more long-term mindset when it comes to SHIB. And eventually you get to this point of a supply shock. There's not enough SHIB that's out there in the supply for people to buy, and the price begins to move kind of wildly. We go through some heavy volatility. And again, we've experienced that when we've broken up through some of these resistance ranges. When you break past 4012, you start moving pretty quick. There's not a lot of liquidity up there, and we can cut through some of these levels pretty quickly, but we got to get there first, all right? BTC is showing signs that SHIB has the potential to, again, break 4010, make a stab at 4012 before the end of the year. We just need to keep building on this momentum. It's all about building. It's all about maintaining what we have now as well. No more pullbacks. Got to just pedal to the metal for the end of the year. So I wanted to share that with you guys. The bull market is really close. It is really close, guys. As macro sentiment shifts, as the overall market improves, I don't know what potential downside there really is apart from possible black swan events. That's about all we got, guys. But I appreciate you as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below about where we're going here. But hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.